You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With Mommy and Daddy, I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff. I'm Caillou. Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou. That's me. Rushing the raspberry.
Caillou was having fun helping Mommy in the garden.
Are the raspberries ready now, Mommy? Raspberries?
Raspberries. No, they're not ready yet. They need a little more time.
Aw, I don't like waiting.
I know what might help pass the time. You've been such a good helper. Maybe you'd like to be my junior gardener.
Okay. Oops, sorry, Gilbert. You don't need watering.
Oh, Caillou.
Sorry, Mommy.
Okay, kids. We put the seeds in the cups just like this. Then we'll give them some water and put them on the windowsill. Because bean seeds plus water plus sunlight make...
Bean plants!
That's right, class. My, what clever gardeners we have. Yes, Caillou?
I'm a junior gardener. I'm helping my mommy grow a raspberry bush.
That's wonderful.
Uh-huh, and I'll have raspberries to share with the whole class.
That's very nice of you, Caillou. Of course, you and your family may want to eat the raspberries, too.
We're going to have tons of raspberries, and I'll make sure everybody gets some.
I could eat 1,000,000 raspberries. Promise to bring them?
Yes. Are the raspberries ready now?
Not yet, Caillou. You're going to have to be a little more patient.
Do you know what I learned today? Bean seeds plus water plus sunlight make bean plants.
That's very good, Caillou.
Berry! No, Rosie. The berries aren't ready yet. Mommy said so.
That's right, Rosie. When they turn bright red, then they'll be ready to eat. But if you're hungry, we could have a little snack.
Yes, please. Hungry!
Aren't you going to drink your milk, Rosie?
No.
But milk will help you grow up big and tall.
Rosie, tall now.
Oh, yes. Much taller.
Caillou suddenly had an idea. If milk could make Rosie grow bigger, maybe it would do the same for the raspberry bush.
What are you doing?
Giving the raspberry bush some milk so it'll grow big and tall.
I'm afraid that doesn't work with plants, sweetie. They only like water.
Caillou wanted the raspberries to ripen faster, so he thought he'd give the bush more water.
Now what are you doing, Caillou?
I'm going to give the bush more water so the berries will ripen.
I think the bush got enough water today. What it really needs is a little more time for the berries to ripen.
Okay, Mommy. I can give them a little more time.
Look, the beans are starting to grow. Hey, did you bring us some raspberries?
No, they're not ready yet.
You will bring us some, right? You promised.
I'm sure Caillou will do his best to bring in some berries when they're ready. You can't rush a raspberry.
Come on, grow!
Rushing the raspberries was exactly what Caillou intended to do.
Pretty please, grow with raspberry on top? Maybe you need more water.
You're taking very good care of the raspberry bush, Caillou.
Thank you, but do you think the raspberries will ever be ready?
I'm sure they'll ripen soon. They're getting lots of water and sunshine. Not to worry.
There's no sun.
Caillou was worried. He knew that plants needed lots of sunshine to grow.
What are you doing, Caillou?
The sun is hiding. I'm giving the bush some more light so it'll grow.
That's very thoughtful. But raspberries need sunlight, not light from a flashlight.
Oh,
Don't worry, the sun will come out again soon.
when? I promised I'd take some raspberries to preschool, but they're not ready yet.
Oh, I see. They'll ripen up soon, I promise. You can't rush a raspberry.
That's what Miss Martin said.
Rush a raspberry? Well, Miss Martin is very wise. Now, why don't we check them again tomorrow, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Caillou, Rosie, there's something you should see in the backyard.
Caillou was worried. He thought something had happened to his raspberry bush. Caillou was right. Something had happened to the raspberry bush.
Raspberries! Look! Raspberries!
That's right, raspberries. They're finally ripe. So, was it worth the wait?
Yes! Yes! Mm-hmm.
I think we should all say thank you to Caillou for bringing in these tasty raspberries.
Thanks, Caillou.
I love raspberries more than anything in the whole world. Thanks, Caillou.
You're welcome.
Yes, Leo?
When are we going to eat our beans?
The plants are coming along nicely, Leo. But we won't be able to pick beans for quite a while.
We have to be patient, right, Miss Martin? Plants need time to grow.
That's right, Caillou. Maybe we should add that to our chart. Bean seeds plus water plus sunlight plus time make...
Bean plants!
Caillou learned that you can't rush a raspberry bush or any other plant, but they were worth waiting for.
Wait to skate. Mommy, what's Daddy doing?
Oh, he's working on something for you and Rosie.
Really? What is it?
It's something extra special.
Caillou couldn't wait to find out what Daddy was working on.
Daddy's building a skating rink.
A skating rink? Yay! Yay! Skating rink!
Don't you think you should change out of your jammies first?
Jammies? Oops.
That should just about do it.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, hi, Caillou. Hi, Rosie.
We're ready to skate, Daddy. Where's the rink?
This is the rink, but I'm afraid it's not ready for skating on.
Not ready?
Caillou was disappointed. He wanted to get skating right away.
Well, if you two help me, the rink will get finished much faster.
Yeah!
Good. First, we need some snow plows to push snow into the frame.
Beep, beep. Here comes the snowplow.
Okay, that's plenty of snow. Come on, there's lots more to do. We have to pack down that snow nice and tight. And to do that, we need to jump up and down like kangaroos. Who's a kangaroo?
Rosie kangaroo! Me too!
Now we're giants. Fee, fi, fo, fum.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. Now the snow's good and flat.
Yay! Now we skate.
Caillou, I'm sorry, it's not ready yet. It takes a long time to build an ice rink.
Caillou wondered if the rink would ever be finished.
Daddy, go skating rink.
Not quite, Rosie. I'm watering the snow. When it gets cold enough, it'll freeze and turn into ice. And then we can skate.
But Caillou was growing impatient. He wanted to skate right away.
It takes a long time for water to freeze, Caillou.
I know, but I can't wait.
Why don't you and Rosie build a snowman? That'll be a fun way to pass the time.
Snowman! Okay. There you go, Mr. Snowman. Look, Daddy, our snowman wants to skate with us.
That's great, Caillou. It's always nice to invite friends.
Caillou wondered if the rink was frozen yet, so he decided to test it out. The ice seemed like it was ready for skating or sliding.
Caillou, no.
Uh-oh. Caillou all wet. I'm sorry, Daddy. I thought it was frozen.
You need to be a little more patient, Caillou. Good things are worth waiting for. Now I'll have to fix the rink.
How long will that take, Daddy?
Well, it should be ready by tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning? That's forever. And Caillou swim in the snow. I wasn't swimming, Rosie. I was trying to skate.
Don't worry, Caillou. You'll be skating soon enough.
I know, but waiting isn't any fun. Hey!
Caillou had forgotten his socks could slide on the kitchen floor.
Look! It's just like I'm skating! Caillou skate! Caillou and Rosie skate! We don't have to wait to pretend to skate.
Well done!
It's morning! Yay!
Caillou was excited. The rink was finally ready.
Oops, I almost forgot. I can't skate with my...
Caillou, slow down. The ice will still be there when you get outside, I promise.
Sorry, Mommy. I'm just excited.
So, was the skating rink worth waiting for?
Yes!
Hey, there are my little skaters. Who wants hot chocolate?
I do! Whoa!
It might be a little hot, so make sure you blow on it and let it cool down.
Oh, hot. I think I burnt my tongue a little.
You have to be patient, Daddy. Good things are worth waiting for.
Yes, they are, Caillou.
Indeed, next year, Caillou would be a little more patient about skating on the ice.
Caillous Hiccups.
Caillou and his family were enjoying a big spaghetti dinner.
This is great. Spaghetti is my favorite.
Thank you, Caillou. Please, just try not to slurp it when you eat.
Caillou loves spaghetti, but it was very hard to eat it without making a slurping noise.
Oops, excuse me.
It's okay, Caillou. I know you were trying your best.
Just like Rosie. She's trying her best not to get her napkin covered with spaghetti sauce.
Napkin clean.
That's good, Rosie, but you're supposed to use your napkin, especially when sauce is all over your face.
Oops.
Everybody laughed along with Rosie, but while Caillou was laughing, he made a noise.
Come on, Rosie. Let's get you cleaned up.
And you can help me with the dishes, Caillou.
Okay, I'll help.
Caillou was extra careful not to drop anything, but it was hard because of the noises he made.
Whoa! Sounds like someone's got the hiccups.
The hiccups? How do I stop them?
Just wait. They usually go away on their own.
Oh, okay. I can wait. Hey, I waited, but they didn't go away.
You have to wait longer than that, Pumpkin. Why not play in the living room while you wait?
Okay, Mommy.
Caillou decided to build a tower while he waited, but
Aw, are these hiccups ever going to go away?
How's it going out here?
These hiccups are messing up everything. I need them to go away.
Just try not to think about them, Caillou. If you wait, the hiccups will go away on their own.
But I've been waiting.
Well, I have heard that sometimes hiccups can be cured by giving someone a little scare.
A scare? I don't like scares.
Just a little scare, Caillou. It makes the person gasp, and then the hiccups go away. Do you want to give it a try?
If it'll make my hiccups go away, then okay.
Okay, get ready, and... boom!
Hey, it worked! It didn't work. Maybe it wasn't scary enough.
Well, we could take care of that, right, Rosie? Boo! Boo!
Caillou wasn't scared at all. Mommy and Rosie were much too funny.
Oh, it's not working.
Good thing I'm here then. I've got a few sure-to-work hiccup cures up my sleeve.
Really?
Sure. I'm the world's #1 all-time hiccup cure champion. Come on, I'll show you. Now, some people cure hiccups by drinking water really fast from a hose. But it's not as easy as it looks. It can get a little messy.
I don't care. I want to try.
Caillou found out that drinking from a hose was very messy, and so did Daddy.
Hey!
Whoops. Sorry, Daddy.
That's okay, Caillou. On a hot day like this, some cool water is good for me. And the grass.
But it didn't work. I still have the hiccups.
Don't worry, Caillou. I've got another cure up my sleeve. The upside-down solution always works.
Rosie turn, Rosie turn. Only if you have hiccups, Rosie. This is so my hiccups will go away.
Don't worry, there's one more cure we can try. I've saved the best for last. This one's almost sure to get rid of your hiccups.
What is it?
I'll show you. You hop on your left foot and rub your head with your right hand.
Caillou thought Daddy looked silly, And so did Mommy and Rosie.
Oh, my! Doesn't Daddy look...
Funny! He does!
But Caillou really wanted to get rid of his hiccups, so he started hopping too.
That's the spirit, Caillou. Hop those hiccups away. That's right, Rosie. You can hop too.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I guess I need to practice my hopping more often.
I'm still hiccuping. What if I have them forever? And ever and ever!
Well, I hate to say this, but maybe I'll just have to stop making spaghetti for dinner, since spaghetti seems to give you the hiccups.
But Mommy, spaghetti's my favorite, and Rosie's favorite, and Daddy's favorite. It wasn't the spaghetti that gave me the hiccups. I know it wasn't. And besides, I think they might be gone. Listen.
Caillou was right. His hiccups had gone away.
Perhaps I scared them away by saying I wouldn't make spaghetti anymore.
Nah, I think they went away on their own. Just like you said they would. But are you really going to stop making spaghetti?
Of course not, Caillou. I was just teasing.
Phew. That's a relief. I love spaghetti.
Rosie, too! Paschetti!
Not right now, Rosie. We just had spaghetti.
But soon, Rosie, we promise. Uh-oh. Now I've got hiccups.
Caillou had realized hiccups go away on their own, with a little patience.